Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and today we've got our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. That is right, and we have an update. I think this actually might be our second update since I've had the device. There's always, the out of the box right away type of update, and now this update, I'm hoping and praying that this update is going to give me 5G. I know what you're thinking, Aaron, this is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. What do you mean you hope it's going to give you 5G? Well, I purchased this device from Samsung directly as an unlocked model. What that means is it did not come pre-installed with the Verizon 5G configuration goodness. So what we need to do, we need to see if this update is going to give us our beloved 5G from Verizon. I have received it on my iPhone 12 Pro, so the 5G's there. I've enjoyed it, I've used it. It's definitely an improvement. It's not as amazing as I thought it would be. So I'm very interested to see, is this going to give us 5G now? The other thing I want to know is what other enhancements or features, anything specific to the Z Fold 2 or foldables that are included in this update. I have another update video coming out soon, so if you're into the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE or the S20 Ultra, don't go too far. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to make sure that you get notified when those videos are coming out in the super near future. Let's get into the update. All right, so we have this update right here. I had briefly postponed it. This is what we're looking at. A software update includes but not limited to device stability and fixes, new or enhanced features. This is what I'm always interested in, new or enhanced features. Why they just can't list all the new features, I don't know. When it comes to Pocophone F2 Pro, when I did that update, it listed every single little adjustment that it had coming, and I was like, they are doing it right. Samsung, you're pretty vague on your update descriptions. It's time to step it up. Temperature of the device may temporarily increase during update. That's kind of scary, especially coming from Samsung. But oh well, let's go ahead and install now and see what we get.
A few moments later.
So here we have it. We are returned and we have our update completed. So let's just go ahead and take a quick little look-see-loo at that. This is update version blah 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 blah, current version F916UONES1ATJI. Wow, that is an update. There seems to be a couple different versions of this here. I don't understand what you're doing here, Samsung, but it says security patch October 1st. Now, I did some digging, some internet snooping, if you will, and it said that what we have with this software update is not much of anything. There's some camera improvements, but no one really knows exactly what they are or where they're coming from. And it also said that it now supports eSIM, but I have dug through, went deep into my settings, and nowhere do I see anything that says eSIM. Nothing is popping up. I come over here, I check SIM card status. Doesn't really state anywhere for a second SIM, let alone an eSIM. So I'm not really too sure if that was activated this time around for me. I don't know about my 5G because it doesn't work inside of my house. I think I've even read somewhere that 5G does not work inside buildings. It works outside of buildings, which is super weird, but maybe it just, I don't know, that's the way the signal works. But I've never gotten a 5G signal in my house on my iPhone, so I'm probably not going to get a 5G signal in my house on my Z Fold 2. What we need to do is just wander out into the wild with our phone and just turn our Wi-Fi off and see if we pick up a 5G signal. And I will of course report that to you here within this video at the end if I end up getting 5G. If I don't, I won't. Guys, thanks for watching the video. I wish there was more to report, but if you're wondering what this security update does and if you should take it or accept it or wait for another one, I think the answer is you want to take this update. This is a security patch. It directly helps keep your phone, your data, your information safe. If you have some more information about this security patch update and you know something I don't, please head down to the comments, let me know, let's have a discussion, educate me, educate our fellow viewers, share your information and knowledge with everyone. Like, comment, subscribe for the love of tech. Till next time, namaste. An update, nothing happened. Nothing happened in this update. Nothing. Just made a video just to hang out with you.